So this model comes with a manual. This is the 2.0 version, and along with that it also comes with a manual for the transmitter as well, because it has an LCD screen on it. What you also get with this is two Dean's connectors for the batteries. These are female connectors. So now we'll get the body off. So as you can see, this is the body of the car. It's got a nice orange color to it, which gives it a nice contrast. Okay, so the first thing that we'll show you is the chassis. So it's got a full aluminum chassis. So I have some really good quality A-arms. Also you get some really thick aluminum shock towers as well. And then there are these aluminum big bore shocks as well. We get universal drive shafts all around the car. As you can see, it's got a metal center rear drive shaft, and it's a thick drive shaft. It's got a 120 amp ESC and it's from Dragon RC. So this vehicle requires two batteries to power it up, and it also has a cooling fan on top of it. So the ESC is waterproof as well. Now this vehicle features a really high torque motor. It's a 1650 kV motor, so it's got plenty of torque. Now coming to the rear side of the vehicle, as you can see, it's got sway bars as well. As you can see, we also have a plastic spoiler on this. Now it's quite a thick material. And the next thing that I want to show you all is the suspension, and these are adjustable. They have these rings that you can screw upwards or downwards, and also you get these rubber protective covers as well, so they prevent dirt and other elements from getting inside. So now we move on to the tires and the wheels. Now this vehicle features Dragon RC high grip pre-mounted race tires and wheels, so they offer pretty good traction, and they are meant for track conditions as well, and they come with 17mm hex hubs. Now we also get adjustable turnbuckles and upper A-arms as well, so you can adjust your camber and toe